Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench with an unusual piece of walnut. So I just freshly sharpened my number 6 iron. I have it set tight with the chip breaker, and I have it set with a very fine cut. And I have a cambered iron in it. So I should get very narrow center shavings. It should be tear out free. And for the most part, most of the board is. There is one section of grain, however. It's the nature of the wood. There's one section right in here. You run your hand across it, you can feel like from about here to here. This section in here, a little rough. So how do we handle that? Very simple. Our friend the card scraper. Trying to see which side has the best edge. So you come in here, you bring your card scraper in at about 45 degrees, more or less, okay? You bend it slightly. Start with the fine side, shavings. Then you try a little bit heavier side. Here we go. That's it. Smooth. It's that simple. A little tiny piece of steel with a burr on it. And you can get a perfect, and see, you can go in different directions with it too. And if you come in like you're landing a plane, you come in and you leave. Come in and you take off. You're not leaving any sort of visible sign that you were ever there. So now you can see that in there? Now it's nice and smooth. Ready for finishing. Isn't that a beautiful piece of wood? Look at it came from an unusual part of the tree where the grain grew every which way. This piece would make nice decorative portions of tabletops or jewelry boxes or picture frames or something like that. So that's about it for this one. I still have to do a video on a back bevel. I might even use this same piece of wood to see if the back bevel would take care of that. Head out to your workshop. Find some cranky wood to work with. Super sharp, fine cuts, tight chip breaker. And if that doesn't quite get it, try a card scraper. And then we'll get back to you in another video to put a back bevel on a blade. I have so many blades I can do it on one of them. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.